What's up, guys? I just wanted to get on here and start a new trading challenge on this Robinhood account. So, in the past couple of weeks, I transferred all of my money to a Charles Schwab account because Robinhood isn't the best broker. But in like around the same time that I transferred all of my money, Robinhood gave me $25 in cash for depositing money a while back, and I still have $5 in my account. So I thought, what better way to use the $30 I had than to start a challenge with it. So I decided to start a $30 challenge. I don't know how far I think I want to take this, but so far I'm up um about 200, 300%. We just ignore this because this is before they gave you the $25. So yeah, so far I'm up about 300%, $30 to $120, and I don't really have a time limit on this challenge. I kind of just want to see how far I can take this. So far I've taken about 10 trades, and have about a 90% win rate. And so I thought I'd just go over the trades that I took in the past week. Going forward, I probably think I'm gonna take the trades daily and kind of update you guys periodically throughout the week rather than making one video about the last couple trades I took. So starting on May 2nd, I took Roblox puts, and I took my account from $30 to $47. And then on May 3rd, I took SPY calls from 36, or I bought them for 36 and I flipped them for $44. And then my next trade on May 4th was Bank of America puts. This was when banks were crashing that one day, and I just decided to just throw whatever money I had, and then I was able to flip it for about 30% or so from the contracts that I bought. And then this day I try to do the method I showed you guys in the last video where I buy like earnings contracts the day after, and that ended up blowing up the account. So I took SQ calls from $53 down to $10, and so I still had $20 left in the account. And then I'm thinking this was all this. No, it wasn't. I don't remember what happened here, but I waited until the next week. So May 9th was right here. Oh, this is what happened. So yeah, May 9th, I took a break from May 5th all the way to May 9th when I took Zom calls. So ExxonMobil. So I took these and I flipped them from $20 to about $50. Yeah. And then the day after, I took Roblox again, but this time I took puts, and then I took them from $57 to $69. And like I said, this isn't the same. It's not going to show the same because I didn't use the entire account. I wasn't able to buy the exact amount for the contract as I have in my portfolio. But then on May 15th, I took AMD calls, or sorry, AMD puts, and I traded them from $71 to $81. And then on May 16th, I took Baidu calls because I saw that Asian, like China stocks were rallying. So I decided to buy a couple calls, and I took them from $73 to $83. And then May 17th, the Asian markets kind of continued, so I took SE calls and I rolled them from $90 to $107, which brings us to today when I took Roblox calls again, and I flipped them from $106 to $119. So as you can see, they had a little dip this morning, but I had a feeling that it was going to keep going up. I'll show you guys on Webull what I was thinking. So yeah, I flipped them for about, I think it was like 12%, 15% per contract. So over on Webull, my thought process was basically that every time Roblox trends in the upward direction or downward direction, it flows very nicely. So there's not really any choppiness when it picks a trend. And I saw that it still had this gap from April 14th. And so my idea was that, it would try to fill this gap since it was already in the gap when I bought it. it would probably try to push towards, 45, the upper 44s. And so I decided to just take calls, but I didn't want to hold. I took calls for next week, but I didn't want to hold it for that long because, again, I'm only on a small account. So any move that the stock does make is going to affect my account greatly. And I do want to be very aggressive with this account and not waste too much time because it's only $100, right? So that's basically my whole trading process right now. Like I said, I transferred all my other money to Charles Schwab, so I don't know if I blow this up, I might just start again. Who knows? But like I said, I'm still trying to figure out a schedule for this. As I started an internship on Monday, so I don't know how frequently I can trade and I can post, but I do what I can throughout the week. Thank you guys for watching.